To start using a Robinhood cash account, you first need to download and install the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide some basic personal information, including your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing a valid government-issued ID and Social Security number. This is a standard requirement for all brokerage firms to comply with regulatory requirements. Once your account is set up and verified, you can fund your cash account by linking a bank account or using a debit card. To do this, navigate to the Transfer Funds section of the app and follow the instructions to link your bank account. You can then initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Robinhood cash account. With your cash account funded, you can start using it to buy and sell investments, such as stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. To do this, navigate to the Trade section of the app and select the investment you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you want to trade and confirm the transaction. One key concept to understand when using a Robinhood cash account is the difference between a cash account and a margin account. A cash account requires you to pay for investments in full, whereas a margin account allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to make investments. A practical example of using a Robinhood cash account is to set aside a portion of your paycheck each month to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks. You can use the app to set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your Robinhood cash account and then use the funds to make investments. Best practices for using a Robinhood cash account include setting a budget and sticking to it, diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk, and regularly monitoring your account activity to ensure everything is in order. It is also a good idea to take advantage of the educational resources provided by Robinhood to learn more about investing and personal finance. By following these steps and tips, you can get started with using a Robinhood cash account and begin investing in the stock market. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.